prevention of tetanus, active immunization or vaccine. It is the most effective method of prophylaxis to prevent tetanus. Active immunization is the most effective method. Tetanus toxoid or TT. It is commonly used for active immunization. It is available either as monovalent vaccine, that is tetanus toxoid is TT is prepared by incubating toxin with formalin to become toxoid and then absorbed onto alum. Combined vaccine, that is DPT vaccine, consists of diphtheria toxoid, pertussis, whole cell killed preparation, and tetanus toxoid. So in DPT, D stands for diphtheria toxoid, P stands for pertussis, whole cell killed preparation, and T stands for tetanus toxoid. So DPT, D stands for diphtheria toxoid, P for pertussis, whole cell killed preparation, and T for tetanus toxoid. And we have TD vaccine, tetanus toxoid and adult diphtheria toxoid. So T is for tetanus toxoid, D is for diphtheria toxoid. Pentavalent vaccine, that is DPT, hepatitis B or Hib. Okay. So tetanus toxoid is available either as a monovalent vaccine, which is prepared by incubating toxin with formalin, okay, ताकि ये जो toxin है ये toxoid बन जाए, and then it is absorbed onto alum. And then combined vaccine as DPT vaccine, TD vaccine or pentavalent vaccine. Primary immunization of children. Tetanus toxoid is given under National Immunization Schedule of India. Okay, it is given under National Immunization Schedule of India. Total 7 doses are given. 3 doses of pentavalent vaccine. Pentavalent vaccine is DPT, hepatitis and Hib. Okay. So 3 doses of pentavalent vaccine at 6, 10 and 14 weeks of birth, followed by 2 booster doses of DPT vaccine at 16, 24 weeks and 5 years, followed by 2 additional doses of TD at 10 years and 16 years. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले 3 doses of pentavalent vaccine at 6, 10 and 14 weeks of birth. Pentavalent vaccine is DPT, hepatitis B and Hib. Then 2 booster doses of DPT. 2 booster doses at 16 to 24 weeks and then at 5 years 2 booster dose. DPT is for D diphtheria, P pertussis, T tetanus toxoid, and then 2 additional doses of TD. TD is T for tetanus toxoid, D for diphtheria toxoid. This TD is given at 10 years and 16 years. So 3 doses, 2 booster doses, and then again 2 additional doses. 3 doses, 2 booster doses and 2 additional doses. First pentavalent, then DPT and then TD vaccine. This is for the immunization of children. For adult immunization, if primary immunization is not administered in the childhood, then adults can be immunized with TD, that is tetanus toxoid and adult diphtheria toxoid. अगर बचपन में ये वाला प्राइमरी इम्यूनाइजेशन नहीं मिला है तो फिर अडल्ट में मिल सकता है TD. TD is tetanus toxoid and adult diphtheria toxoid. Site: tetanus vaccine is given by deep intramuscular route at anterolateral aspect of thigh in children and in deltoid in adult. ठीक है, deep intramuscular route बच्चों में anterolateral aspect of thigh और adults में deltoid में. Protective titer: persons are said to be protected if the antitoxin titer is greater than or equal to 0.01 international unit per milliliter. If the titer is greater than 0.01 international units per milliliter. Prevention of tetanus after injury. All types of wound need surgical toilet followed by immunization, which depends on the wound type and immunization status of the individual. So सारे wound will require surgical toilet, and then the immunization will depend on the type of wound and the immunization status of the individual. Recommendation for prevention of tetanus after injury. If it's a non-tetanus prone wound, nothing required within 5 years. TD1 dose taken within greater than 5 to less than 10 years. Then TD1 dose taken greater than 10 years back. And TD complete dose is given when unknown or incomplete immunization is there. Okay. So if it's a non-tetanus prone wound, तो अगर ये जो भी कंप्लीट कोर्स ऑफ वैक्सीन है वो 5 साल के अंदर अगर लिया हुआ है, देन देयर विल बी नथिंग रिक्वायर्ड. इफ द कंप्लीट कोर्स इज more than 5 years but less than 10 years, then TD1 dose. And if the complete course was taken more than 10 years back, then also TD1 dose. और अगर incomplete या unknown immunization है, then TD complete dose has to be given. ठीक है, अगर unknown या incomplete immunization है तो TD complete dose, या फिर अगर 5 साल के अंदर complete course of vaccination लिया हुआ है तो फिर कुछ भी रिक्वायर नहीं होता है. ठीक है, टीडी का एक डोज रिक्वायर रहता है अगर 5 साल से कम होता है या 10 साल से ज़्यादा होता है. ठीक है, टेटनस प्रोन वुंड मीन्स एज ऑफ द वुंड इज़ ग्रेटर देन 6 hours, या पेनिट्रेटिंग वुंड है, या डेप्थ ऑफ वुंड इज़ ग्रेटर देन 1 centimeter, या देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ डिवाइटलाइज्ड टिश्यू एंड कॉन्टामिनेंट्स.